Welcome to our exciting showcase of the latest trends in kids' fashion. In this video, we'll take you on a fun and informative journey, exploring trendy outfits that will make your little one stand out. From seasonal styles to fashion tips, we've got it all covered. Get ready to dive into the world of kids' fashion, where every outfit tells a story and each piece is chosen with love and care. Whether you're looking for inspiration or practical advice, you're in the right place. So sit back, relax, and let's embark on this vibrant and playful adventure together. Spring is here, and it's the perfect time to refresh your kids' wardrobe with the latest trends. Imagine light fabrics that allow freedom of movement, perfect for playtime and adventures. Think pastel colors that capture the essence of blooming flowers and sunny skies. And let's not forget those beautiful floral patterns that bring a burst of nature's beauty into their outfits. Light fabrics keep your little ones comfortable and cool, ready to embrace the joys of warmer weather. Pastel colors like soft pinks, light blues, and gentle yellows are trendy and bring a fresh, vibrant look to any outfit. Floral patterns add an extra touch of charm and playfulness, perfect for this blossoming season. Picture your kids running around in outfits that make them feel as light as a breeze, with colors that reflect the world around them. Pastels and florals aren't just for girls, boys can rock these trends too, bringing a new level of cuteness to their spring outfits. Whether they're heading to the park, a family outing, or just enjoying some backyard fun, these spring styles will make them stand out. Get ready to see more about how you can mix and match these trends to create the perfect spring looks for your kids. Stay tuned for practical fashion tips to make dressing your little ones both fun and functional this spring. Spring dressing can be a fun and creative process. Here are some essential tips to keep your kids stylish and comfortable. Layering is your best friend for unpredictable weather days. Always prioritize comfort, choose soft, breathable fabrics that let your kids move freely. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and colors. This is the perfect season to experiment and let their unique styles shine. As we move forward, you'll see more fabulous spring styles that will inspire your next wardrobe update. Summer is here, and it's the perfect time for fresh new looks for our young ones. This season brings an explosion of bright colors, perfect for sunny days and outdoor play. Think vibrant yellows, popping pinks, and electric blues. It's all about making a bold statement. But it's not just about the colors. Breathable fabrics are a must-have as the temperature rises. Lightweight cottons, airy linens, and soft, moisture-wicking materials will keep your kids cool and comfortable all day long. And let's not forget about the fun prints. Summer is the season to embrace playful patterns and designs. From cheerful florals to adventurous animal prints, these fun styles add a touch of whimsy to any outfit. As we dive into these summer fashion trends, get ready to be inspired by the coolest styles for your kids. Stay tuned, because we're just getting started with bringing your child's summer wardrobe to life. You'll see how to combine these trends into outfits that are both stylish and practical for the hottest months of the year. Let's keep the fashion fun going. Keep your kids cool and stylish this summer with these easy tips. First, make sure they have proper sun protection. Hats and sunscreen are a must. Next, choose footwear that is both comfortable and breathable, helping them stay active and happy all day long. Lastly, opt for lightweight clothing to keep them cool and free to explore. As we move forward, you'll discover even more ways to make this summer a fashionable and fun experience for your little ones. As the leaves change color, so should your kids' wardrobes. Fall is all about transitioning to warm, rich hues that reflect the season's beauty. Clothes in deep oranges, vibrant reds, and earthy browns add a magical touch to your little one's outfits. Dressing for fall also means mastering the art of layering. Start with a lightweight top, add a cozy sweater, and finish with a stylish jacket. Don't forget bottom layers, like leggings or thermal pants, to keep them snug and warm. The key is to ensure they are comfortable yet ready for fluctuating temperatures. Fall is the perfect season to indulge in cozy fabrics that keep the chill at bay. Think flannel shirts, woolen cardigans, and soft cotton blends. These fabrics provide warmth and add texture and interest to your child's outfit. Let's not forget accessories. Scarves, hats, and mittens in complementary colors can make all the difference, keeping those little heads, hands, and necks toasty. Beyond functionality, fall fashion is a playground of creativity. Mix and match different textures, colors, and styles to create outfits that are as unique as your child. Encourage them to express their personality through their clothing choices. As we move forward, you'll see how these principles of warmth, layering, and cozy fabrics set the foundation for incredible winter styles. Stay tuned as we dive into the next segment, Winter Styles, where we'll showcase the coziest and most festive looks for your kids this season. Fall is the perfect time to experiment with layering. Start with a cozy base layer, add a stylish sweater, and top it off with a jacket for cooler days. Don't shy away from accessories. Scarves, hats, and gloves can not only add flair but also keep your little ones warm. Remember, comfort is key. Choose soft, breathable fabrics that allow your kids to move freely while staying snug. As we continue, you'll discover even more exciting ways to keep your kids looking trendy and feeling comfortable all season long. Winter is here, and with it comes the need for warm, stylish layers to keep our kids cozy. This season, we embrace bold colors that brighten the short, chilly days. Think vibrant reds, deep blues, and rich greens that make a statement against the snow. Let's not forget festive outfits that bring joy and celebration to winter gatherings. From comfy knit sweaters to playful holiday dresses, there's something for every occasion. It's all about layering with style, ensuring our little ones stay warm while looking their best. As we move forward, you'll see the perfect blend of comfort and fashion in each winter piece we're about to showcase. Get ready to be inspired by the coziest and most stylish winter outfits for kids this season. Keeping your kids warm and stylish this winter doesn't have to be a chore. Let's dive into some practical fashion tips that will make winter dressing a breeze. Always layer for warmth. Start with a base layer, add insulation, and top it off with a waterproof outer layer. Speaking of waterproof, choose clothing that can withstand the winter elements. Think waterproof jackets and boots. Lastly, add a festive flair with accessories like colorful scarves, cozy hats, and mittens. As we move forward, you'll see even more ways to dress your little ones for every occasion this season. Special occasions call for special outfits, and we've got just the selection for you. Whether it's birthday parties, family gatherings, or holidays, your kids will stand out in style. Picture your little one dazzling in a trendy outfit at their next birthday bash, feeling like the star of the show. For family gatherings, it's about finding that perfect balance between comfort and chic, letting your child shine in beautiful attire that also lets them play and mingle with ease. When it comes to holidays, get ready to embrace festive looks with splashes of color and dazzling details that capture the spirit of the season. Each outfit is carefully chosen to ensure your child not only looks great but feels great too. Stay with us as we continue this fashionable journey, showcasing the best outfits for every special occasion your child will be part of this year. As we move forward, you'll see how mixing and matching can turn these occasions into opportunities for fun and creativity. Fashion is all about creativity. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of mix-and-match outfits for kids. This segment is about empowering your little ones to express their personal style through playful combinations. From pairing unexpected patterns to blending vibrant colors, the opportunities for creativity are endless. Watching children create their unique looks is not only fun but also a splendid way to boost their confidence. Whether it's combining a favorite dinosaur shirt with striped shorts or layering a polka dot dress over leggings, each look can reflect their joyful personality. The key is to encourage experimentation and give them the freedom to try new things. Mixing and matching isn't just about fashion, it's a delightful exercise in creativity that can make getting dressed a highlight of their day. As we explore different combinations, you'll notice the magic that happens when traditional fashion rules are set aside. It's about finding new and exciting ways to wear familiar pieces and creating looks that are uniquely theirs. Remember, the most important aspect is having fun with fashion and letting personal style shine through. So, let's embrace the mix and match adventure and see where their imagination takes them. Tune in as we celebrate the joy of creativity in kids' fashion. Up next, we're going to explore sustainable fashion choices that are stylish and kind to our planet. Stay with us for more inspiring ideas for your kids' wardrobe. As parents, we have the power to make choices that reflect our style and protect our planet. Sustainable fashion for kids is a growing trend, and it's here to stay. Let's dive into practical steps to embrace this positive movement. Starting with eco-friendly fabrics, these materials are not only gentle on your child's skin but also on the environment. Organic cotton, bamboo, and recycled materials are excellent choices that reduce our carbon footprint. Consider secondhand shopping. It's a fantastic way to give pre-loved items a new life while teaching kids the value of reuse and recycling. Thrift stores, consignment shops, and online marketplaces offer a treasure trove of stylish options without the added environmental cost. Lastly, supporting sustainable brands can make a significant impact. Many brands are now committed to ethical practices, using sustainable materials, and ensuring fair labor practices. Look for labels prioritizing sustainability and transparency about their production processes. By choosing eco-friendly fabrics, embracing secondhand shopping, and supporting sustainable brands, you can help foster a love for fashion that respects our planet. As we move forward, you'll see how these choices can blend with the latest trends and styles, making your kids' wardrobe stylish and sustainable. Navigating the world of kids' fashion can be tricky, but it doesn't have to break the bank. First, budget wisely. Set a spending limit and stick to it. Next, shop smart. Look for sales, discounts, and second-hand treasures. Finally, make it a fun family affair. Involve your kids in choosing their outfits. It encourages their creativity and builds their confidence. So remember, budget, shop smart, and let your kids have a say. As we draw close to the end, let's take a quick look back at the stylish journey we've been on. From spring's pastels to winter's festive layers, there's been a lot to love. Stay tuned as we wrap things up. Let's recap the seasonal styles we've explored. Spring welcomed us with light and pastel outfits, perfect for those blossoming days. Summer brought bright and breathable styles, ideal for sunny adventures. Fall embraced us with warm and cozy layers, making every leaf pile feel like home. Winter dazzled us with bold and festive looks, turning the cold days into a fashion celebration. As we've journeyed through each season, we've seen how kids can look stylish while staying comfortable year-round. Stay with us as we wrap up this fashionable adventure in our next segment. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed exploring the latest trends in kids' fashion. If you liked what you saw, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Follow us on social media for more tips, trends, and inspiration. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos where we'll bring you the best in children's fashion. Your support helps us continue to create amazing content. So, hit that subscribe button and follow along on our fashion journey. Until next time, keep your kids stylish and trendy, and remember, fashion is all about having fun. See you soon.